Hey everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to show you how to install toilets on basement floors. First of all, you want to make sure that your flange on your floor is at least 12 inches from the finished wall to the center of the flange hole. If the flange is not at least 12 inches from the finished wall, you're going to actually have to get a more expensive toilet to where the back of the tank is closer in line with the hole that goes out the bottom of the toilet. For this toilet installation, we're going to be using a pair of pliers and a wrench to fit the size nuts you have for your mounting bolts, a wax ring with gasket, and your mounting bolts. First thing you want to do is take your mounting bolts and put them into the flange. Next, you're going to take your wax ring with gasket and place it into the flange. Next, you're going to pick up your toilet, put it over the mounting bolts. After you have the mounting bolts through the holes in the base of the toilet, take your washers, place them over the bolts, and then put your nuts on. Now, taking your pair of pliers, tighten down the nuts, and you want to tighten them down evenly. That way you don't crack your porcelain. What I like to do is kind of lean on the side of the toilet and apply pressure, and then work your way to the other side. Make sure you don't go too tight because they'll crack your porcelain. Now you're ready to install your supply line to the back of the tank. Take your supply line and tuck any extra hose behind the toilet. And hook it up into the fill valve in the back. Make sure you don't go too tight on these because most of them nowadays are compression fitting. If you want to, you can take your pair of pliers and snug it up just a little bit if you can't get it tight enough with your hand. After that, turn on your water. After the toilet's filled, you want to flush it. And you want to do this a couple different times. That way you can check for leaks along the floor here where your seal is with your wax ring, and back here where your fill valve is. You want to make sure you check for leaks. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next project.